I have done so many videos on how to make money online, but I still get people in my inbox asking me, and Kiki, how do I make money online? So in this video, I've just decided, let me just pause for a moment and explain to you guys how you can actually make money online. I think this is the final video you need to watch. If you watch this video till the end, then you're going to start making money. I want you guys to come back and tell me that you made money, and I'll be so glad. Now, you might need to grab a piece of paper and a pen because I'm gonna be giving you the step-by-step guide for me that I used that has opened doors for me, and I hope it works for you guys. If you want to make money online today, you need to follow some simple steps. Number one, look at all the possible ways that you can earn money online. There are so many opportunities online, so many ways to make money. You can make money through freelancing, blogging, vlogging, content creation, doing transcription jobs, drop shipping. So many ways that you can actually make money online. Now, after you look at that list, choose one that you feel really interests you. Make sure the one you choose, you understand what it entails. Make sure you understand what you will be expected to do. Step two is to research on that particular online job. And I've really insisted that you choose one. Don't try all of them. Choose only one. Research, do your research. What am I required to do? Are there any people who have done content on it? How do they make money with it? Research on your own. Look at what people are saying about that particular method, and learn more. Gather all those ideas, gather all their points. Step three is getting into it now. After you've done all your research, you know what it takes to do that particular online job, get into it. Look at the websites that are there that offer the jobs. Start signing up for those websites. Start bidding the jobs, because for some jobs you need to bid for them. I believe in step two, you researched how to get that job, and so you already know if that job requires bidding. Start bidding for it, because now this is your interest, and make sure you focus on that particular thing. Tell your mind that I have to make money with this. That's the first step. By the way, it's very important to be very, very positive. Register in your brain that I'm going to make money with this. Actually, for me to make money online, I really had to tell myself, you have to make money. You know, most people doubt, and that's the beginning of your failure, because if you doubt, you're going to quit so early, you know? Yeah, so start now bidding for jobs. The fourth step is to attempt to do the jobs. Once you attempt the job, I know you might fail, but don't quit. The most important thing is do not quit. Start the job, do as many jobs as possible, learn the skill. Of course, the only way to learn the skill is by doing it. And remember, you can do that for even 1 year, 2 years. I always tell you guys, I had to wait for 1 full year because before I could earn anything on YouTube. Like, I would just create content, and my I would create content almost every day, posting videos, posting them. Some would get 0 views, but I was very, very determined. I knew I have to make money on YouTube. So if you decide to make money on a particular method or using a particular method, then you have to really focus. Even if it takes 1 year, do not be tempted to try another way. The reason as to why most people fail is because they attempt to make money with so many ways, and you cannot be jack of all trades. The minute you start moving from one method to another, then you're not going to succeed. You will not make any money. So focus on it, try and practice, and the fourth step is when you start making money. Now, if you make your first dollar or your first coin, then I can already guarantee you've learned the skill. You know, online money is not just about making money, it's about learning the skill. So if you make your first dollar or your first shilling, definitely you've learned the skill. Now at this point, you can now become more frequent, do it more, make more money with it. And once you make more money, then you'll be able to know, is this worth it? And at this point, you can now decide to learn another method. And remember, that process may take you up to 2 years, 3 years. Yes, literally, because making money online really requires skills and luck. Yeah, even luck. For some people, they just come and within 1-2 months they've already started making money. Some people are just so lucky, but I always don't want to associate it with luck. It's also requires a lot of effort, a lot of creativity, especially content creation. Yeah, so just do it. Do not be the kind of person who fears, because if you fear, you cannot make money online. There's this musician who says you cannot shame the shameless. So I feel like if you want to start, you have to be shameless, because if you're shameless, nobody can shame you. You will be ready to take the failures, and the failures will be lessons for you. Failures will not mean that you failed. But if you come and you're shameful, nah, you will not make any money. I would say that is my strategic step-by-step plan on how you can start making money online. And if you feel otherwise, you can comment down below. Yeah, that's it, guys. But you can now look at all the methods of making money and decide. Okay, if you have any question, just ask me in the comment section. If you need help or guidance to this, I will definitely be there to reply to your comments. You guys ask me, I'm definitely going to answer. I really love helping people. I really want everyone to start making money from now, so don't hesitate to contact me, text me, and I will answer you guys. Yeah, that's it for this video. Please do like. Of course, don't forget to like my video. When you watch them, please leave a like button and tell me what you think, guys. Thank you so much for watching up to the end. Thank you for liking. For those who have not subscribed, if you're new to this channel, do make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so that you'll be notified whenever I post. I post videos here almost every day, so you don't want to miss on that, guys. Yeah, thank you for watching up to the end, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.